Are you tired of dealing with that nagging back pain? The kind that stops you from getting a good night's sleep or enjoying your daily activities. What if I told you there are ways to stop back pain without popping a single pill or heading to the doctor's office? In fact, there are 5 powerful all-natural remedies that could help you find relief, and they don't involve any medications at all. Stick around because these remedies could change your life, and trust me, you don't want to miss them. Back pain is one of the most common issues people face, and it can affect anyone at any age. Whether you're dealing with acute back pain from lifting something heavy or chronic pain that's been bothering you for months, we've all been there. But here's the thing, traditional treatments like painkillers and even surgery aren't always the best options. What if there was a better, safer, and natural way to deal with your back pain? Imagine waking up in the morning without that stiff feeling. Moving freely without constantly worrying about your back. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today I'm going to share with you 5 natural remedies that actually work to stop back pain. No pills, no expensive treatments, just simple changes that could bring you relief. Let's dive right in. Remedy 1, stretching and yoga. Let's start with something simple that you can do right from the comfort of your own home. Stretching and yoga. You've probably heard about stretching before, but do you really understand how powerful it can be for relieving back pain? Stretching is an incredibly effective way to improve flexibility, strengthen your muscles, and release the tension that builds up in your back throughout the day. When you stretch, you're promoting better blood circulation to your muscles, which helps loosen them up and reduce that feeling of stiffness or discomfort. This increased blood flow can also help speed up recovery for overworked or tight muscles. But here's the thing, stretching isn't just about relaxation. It also strengthens your muscles, especially when combined with yoga, which is a powerhouse when it comes to both flexibility and strength. Yoga is a holistic practice that targets both the flexibility and strength needed to keep your back in good health. In fact, research shows that practicing yoga regularly not only improves spinal health, but also significantly reduces the severity of back pain. It's a win-win. It's like giving your back a little bit of love every day. There are a few specific yoga poses that are incredibly beneficial when it comes to tackling back pain. Child's pose. This gentle, restorative pose is a game changer for your lower back. It helps to lengthen your spine and release the tension that can build up in your back, making it feel more relaxed and free. Cat-cow pose. This dynamic movement isn't just great for flexibility, it also helps to increase spinal mobility. Moving between these 2 poses can really help stretch out the back muscles and keep them supple, reducing tightness and pain. Downward dog. A classic pose that stretches the hamstrings and lower back while also engaging your arms and shoulders. It's a full body stretch that gives your muscles the flexibility they need to stay healthy. If you've never tried these poses before, don't worry. There are tons of online resources and videos that offer step-by-step guidance for beginners. You can easily follow along with a routine designed specifically to help reduce back pain. The beauty of yoga and stretching is that they're not only accessible, but they also require minimal equipment. All you need is a mat or a comfortable space on the floor. No need for fancy gym equipment or a membership. By incorporating these simple stretches and poses into your daily routine, you'll start to notice a significant reduction in your back pain, along with an overall increase in flexibility. Give it time, and you'll be amazed at how much better your back feels, all without ever needing to leave your home. Remedy 2, proper posture. You might not realize this, but your posture plays a huge role in the health of your back. In fact, poor posture is one of the most common culprits behind back pain, especially if you're sitting for long periods of time. Sitting for hours at a desk, whether at the office or working from home, can place unnecessary strain on your spine. This added pressure can lead to chronic discomfort, stiffness, and pain that you just can't shake off. You may even start feeling like you're permanently hunched over or carrying around a heavy load on your back. But there's good news. The simple act of correcting your posture can make a world of difference when it comes to relieving and preventing back pain. It's all about proper alignment, which helps take the strain off your spine and evenly distributes your body weight. Let's break down how you can improve your posture and, in turn, protect your back. Sitting posture. When sitting, make sure your feet are flat on the floor and your knees are at a 90-degree angle. This helps keep your spine in a neutral position, minimizing stress on your lower back. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your back straight. Don't slouch. If you're working at a desk, take the time to adjust your chair and screen height so that your eyes are level with the top of your monitor. This prevents you from leaning forward or hunching your shoulders, both of which can cause pain over time. Standing posture. Standing properly is just as important as sitting with good alignment. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart and your knees slightly bent to avoid locking them. Distribute your weight evenly on both legs, and imagine there's a string pulling you gently upwards from the top of your head. This mental image can help you stay aligned, keeping your spine in a natural position and preventing that all-too-familiar lower back ache. By practicing good posture, whether you're sitting or standing, you'll begin to notice that your back feels less tense, fatigued, and stiff. It may take some time, but as you consistently work on your posture, you'll notice the long-term benefits. Less pain, better support for your spine, and an overall feeling of increased comfort throughout the day. Good posture isn't just about looking taller. It's about keeping your back healthy and strong. Remedy 3. Heat and cold therapy. Let's talk about something that's incredibly simple, but incredibly effective. Heat and cold therapy. You've probably used a heating pad to soothe your sore muscles or an ice pack to reduce swelling at some point. But did you know that alternating between heat and cold treatments can actually speed up the healing process and provide long-lasting relief for your back pain? It's one of those techniques that's quick, easy, and incredibly effective when used correctly. Here's why they work so well. Cold therapy. When you apply an ice pack to your back, the cold helps to reduce inflammation and numb the area, providing immediate relief from pain. Cold therapy works by constricting the blood vessels, which helps reduce swelling and inflammation. It's especially useful during the first 48 hours after an injury or if you're dealing with swelling from a muscle strain. The numbing effect of the cold can also ease any sharp, acute pain, allowing you to move more comfortably. Heat therapy. On the flip side, applying heat to your back helps to increase blood flow, which in turn helps to relax tense muscles and promote healing. Heat is ideal for chronic pain or muscle stiffness because it helps improve flexibility and reduces discomfort. The warmth soothes tight muscles, making them more pliable, and it can also ease the soreness that comes from muscle fatigue. To use these therapies effectively, apply an ice pack for 15 to 20 minutes at a time, particularly in the early stages of back pain, to help with inflammation and pain relief. Use a heating pad or warm towel for 20 to 30 minutes to relax tight muscles and improve circulation, especially for those dealing with chronic muscle stiffness. This simple technique can be done throughout the day as needed, and it's an easy, non-invasive way to get fast relief without relying on medication. It's a practical solution that doesn't require a doctor's visit and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Whether you're at home or even at work, using heat and cold therapy is a great way to manage back pain naturally. Remedy 4. Core strengthening exercises. One of the main causes of back pain is weakness in your core muscles. Your core includes the muscles in your abdomen, lower back, and pelvis. These muscles play a crucial role in stabilizing your spine and supporting your entire body. When your core is weak, it places additional strain on your back, leading to pain and discomfort. The good news? You can strengthen your core with just a few simple exercises, and doing so will help protect your back from pain in the future. Here are a few core exercises you can start with. Planks. Start by holding a plank position, keeping your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, and gradually increase the time as you get stronger. Bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes and engaging your core. Lower back down and repeat. Bird dogs. Start on all fours, then extend one arm forward and the opposite leg backward, keeping your back flat. Hold for a few seconds before switching sides. By strengthening your core muscles, you provide your back with more support, helping to reduce the likelihood of pain. You can do these exercises every other day, and as your core gets stronger, you'll start to feel the benefits in your back. Remedy 5. Anti-Inflammatory Diet. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about your diet. What you eat plays a significant role in managing inflammation, and inflammation is one of the major contributors to back pain. Chronic back pain is often linked to long-term inflammation in the muscles and joints, which can make it feel like the pain is never-ending. But the good news is you can manage and even reduce this inflammation through a carefully chosen anti-inflammatory diet. By adding certain foods to your meals, you can help your body fight the very inflammation that's causing you discomfort and get relief from that nagging pain. Here are some powerful foods that can help reduce inflammation and support your back health. Turmeric. Known for its vibrant yellow color, turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin has been shown to help reduce inflammation in the body, making it an excellent choice for those dealing with back pain. You can easily incorporate turmeric into your meals, or, if you prefer, sip on some soothing turmeric tea for its therapeutic benefits. Ginger. Like turmeric, ginger has natural anti-inflammatory effects that can help ease pain and reduce swelling. Fresh ginger is easy to add to smoothies, salads, or even hot water to create a soothing tea. Its active compounds work by blocking the pathways in the body that cause inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are well known for their anti-inflammatory effects. You can find omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation in the body and have been shown to promote joint health, which can be incredibly helpful for back pain relief. Leafy greens. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in antioxidants and nutrients that can help reduce inflammation. These vegetables are also packed with vitamins and minerals that support overall body health. Eating a generous serving of these greens each day can give your body the boost it needs to manage pain and inflammation. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants, which play a key role in fighting oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These sweet and delicious fruits are not only tasty, but also provide a natural way to combat inflammation and support your immune system. Incorporating these anti-inflammatory foods into your diet regularly doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need to make drastic changes to your eating habits. Simply start adding more of these inflammation-fighting foods to your meals. The more you focus on including them in your daily routine, the more support your body will get in managing back pain and reducing overall inflammation. Over time, these small dietary changes can make a big difference in how you feel. So there you have it. 5 natural remedies that can help stop back pain without relying on medication. Whether it's stretching and yoga, correcting your posture, using heat and cold therapy, strengthening your core, or eating an anti-inflammatory diet, these remedies can make a world of difference in how your back feels. Remember, consistency is key. Start incorporating these practices into your daily routine, and you'll start noticing relief from back pain without the need for pills or expensive treatments. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to hit the like button and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Have you tried any of these remedies before? Or maybe you have a back pain tip of your own to share. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more health-boosting tips like these. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.